Hey there, DIYers, lawn and garden enthusiasts, and homesteaders. Melissa here from PetraMax. It's time to put a stop on using chemical fertilizers that strip your soil of its nutrients. Boost your soil's microbiome with PetraMax Worm Tea. Our super strength concentrate is made with 100% pure, natural ingredients extracted from earthworm castings and brewed to retain all of the essential vitamins, minerals, and bacteria. And with our advanced suspended animation technology, we keep those helpful bacteria alive and kicking for maximum effectiveness. But here's the best part. A little goes a long way. One 32-ounce bottle of PetraMax Worm Tea concentrate can make up to 175 gallons of feed water for your plants. So whether you're making your own indoor compost for your pre-planting once the snow melts, or just giving your existing plants a little boost, a few ounces of PetraMax Worm Tea will do the trick. And as a proud American family-owned company, we stand behind our products with a 100% satisfaction guarantee and excellent customer service. Give PetraMax Worm Tea a try and see the difference it can make for your lawn and garden.